It's a sad, sad day.
It is.
That poor guitar. It's a sad day.
It's not a sad day. Tell me when you're ready. You get practice swings. Practice swings, yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, I feel like I'm like line of fire over here, but you know, do what you got to do for entertainment. Perfect. Take a little stand. What? Oh, you're using the.
Dude, just freaking.
Oh, hold on, let me get a. Tell me when you're ready, bitch. I was born ready, Jake. I was born ready. Sometimes when we get hit in the face.
Sometimes I'm gonna get hit in the face.
Probably get...
Oh my god! Oh!
That was the first one.
Ah!
I think you hit the face.
This is hard coming, like... Ah! Jesus. Jesus. So, I sure hope you weren't picturing that as Janine.
God damn it.
Dude, that was a full beer.
Yes. Damn, I got some on my pants. Hey, look at that, dude. Fucking battle wound.
Jeez.